Welcome to Healthy Ways. Finding easy and tasty snacks can be difficult, regardless of experience level with keto. We're going to show you 5 keto-friendly snacks in this video that you can prepare in less than 10 minutes. These high-fat, low-carb snacks are ideal for maintaining ketosis while sating your hunger. Avocado egg salad. We start with avocado egg salad for snacking. With plenty of protein from the eggs and healthy fats from the avocado, this is the ideal keto snack. Just mash 1 ripe avocado and combine it with 2 hard-boiled eggs to make it. For added taste, add a small amount of salt, pepper, and possibly some garlic powder. With less than 5 minutes, you may have a satisfying and tasty snack with less than 3 grams of carbohydrates. Avocados are a keto superstar because they're high in potassium, fiber, and heart-healthy fats. They also make a great snack. Cheese and cucumber roll-ups. The next dish is roll-ups with cheese and cucumber. This is among the easiest keto snacks available. Cut a cucumber lengthwise into thin strips, put a little cream cheese on each, and then roll each slice up. For an additional flavor boost, you can mix in some smoked salmon or a dash of everything bagel seasoning. Making it is quick, just 5 minutes, and refreshingly crunchy. Cucumber and cheese make a fantastic low-carb pairing. The cucumber provides moisture, while the cheese provides good fats with nearly no carbohydrates. Almond butter fat bombs. Almond butter fat bombs come in 3rd place on our list. When you need a sweet treat on the run, they are ideal. Combine 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of almond butter, and a small amount of vanilla essence. After forming tiny balls, place them in the refrigerator for a short while. You can have a low-carb, high-energy snack that hits the spot for your sweet tooth in less than 10 minutes. Almond butter is an ideal keto-friendly ingredient because it is low in carbohydrates and high in healthy fats. To maintain ketosis, just be sure to get unsweetened almond butter. For a crunchy, guilt-free snack, try making zucchini chips. Thinly slice a zucchini, brush the slices with olive oil, sprinkle some salt and pepper, and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, for about 10 minutes until crispy. These chips are low in carbs, crispy, and perfect for dipping. Zucchini is a versatile, low-carb vegetable, providing fiber and important nutrients like vitamin C. These zucchini chips are a great substitute for potato chips and won't kick you out. Greek yogurt with chia seeds and berries. We're heading for a creamy, comforting treat for our last snack. Greek yogurt topped with a few berries and chia seeds. To be keto-friendly, use full-fat Greek yogurt without added sugar. Add a teaspoon of chia seeds and a small handful of blueberries or raspberries on top. This snack is tasty, easy to make, and full of fiber and good fats. It also only takes 3 minutes to assemble. Chia seeds provide fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, and Greek yogurt is a fantastic source of protein and good fats. Just watch how much you eat when it comes to berries because they naturally contain sugar. You can prepare these 5 simple keto snacks in less than 10 minutes. These snacks will support your low-carb lifestyle whether you're at home or on the go. Please remember to hit the notification bell for more keto-friendly recipes, subscribe to Healthy Ways, and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Until the next video, see ya!